Welcome to Salika Mag. Today's tutorial about this circle top, very easy top, even beginners can follow. See, I just take that 19 inches by 19 inches. This is the width and the length of my this fabric that is already folded in 4 folds. So this 19 inches is actually the length of my top, so you can take according to your length. And now I'm marking these lines, these angle lines. At each point is 19, and I will keep moving my measuring tape until I get a full circle here, and after that I will cut this part. So after that I will also show you how you can complete the neckline and how to make this top. So don't skip at any point. If you are first time here, don't forget to subscribe the channel, and guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to press the like button. It will really help me to grow on YouTube. So see, now I just cut it like this way, and after cutting you will see that we get a round or circle piece of fabric. And see, from this leftover fabric I will cut just the bias binding or piping for my neckline. And neckline again depend on your choice. Here I'm taking only 2 by 2 because the front and back is same, and I'm making this for a girl, 7 to 8 years girl, so I don't want neckline very deep, but you can take it like 3 inches or maybe even 4 inches, so it's depend on your personal choice. So now I just open it and make sure that you mark the center of your top, so when you stitch you know that this is the center, because all the way it's round. So now here I'm cutting the bias binding from the leftover fabric, and I will attach both pieces something like this in an angle, and after that I will show you how we can complete this neckline. So just attach the pieces of bias binding, and after that attach it with your neckline. And after completing this neckline, I will show you how you can stitch the fitting lines and complete your top. So don't skip at any point. And here I'm using my serger to complete the hemline of this circle top. And if you don't have serger, you can just fold it, and then you can hand stitch it or make it a basting type of stitch, and then you can go to your machine, because the completing the round hem is a bit tricky. So, or otherwise you can use any zigzag design of your machine to complete this. So now as you see that we completed our neckline and the hemline, and now it's time to stitch the fitting line. So for that you need any of your t-shirt or any dress. It's better if it's stretchy, because I'm also working with the stretchy fabric, and if the fabric type is same, your measurement will be more accurate. So here I just mark the 5 inches for the armhole, the opening of our armhole, but you can mark according to your size. and after that I just trace the fitting lines. And also it depends, if you want a little loose or little fitted, you can mark accordingly, and make sure that in the both fitting lines are aligned with the center as well. So see, the 5 inches is this side, and after that I just mark the straight line. First I leave from shoulder towards down 5 inches for the armhole, and then I leave the mark the line. Same way I will do the other side, and this line is basically that line that I'm going to stitch. So this top we will stitch from the front side of or right side of the fabric. So in that way we will get that look. Hope you get my point. So after marking, let's go to the stitching part. But before stitching, make sure you attach the pins properly, because otherwise your fabric will move and your lines will not on the accurate place. So now recheck all the measurement, and after that go to the stitching. So now I'm on my machine. Make sure you double lock at the starting and double lock at the end as well, just you can see in this video. And guys, if you really like this video, please don't forget to press the thumbs up button and give me your feedback, and in comments also let me know if any style of top you want to learn. And see, I'm just stitching the other way as well. So guys, our circle top is ready, and this is the final look. You can see here the stitching lines. These are the fitting lines, and let me show you after on the dummy as well. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.